Hi there. Welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. It's useful to know how to remove the rear wheel from your motorcycle in case it gets punctured. Park the motorcycle in neutral gear on a firm flat surface with the rear wheel off the ground. Insert a punch into the wheel axle to hold it in place. Then use a 24 mm ring spanner to loosen and remove the wheel nut. Remove the chain tensioner and lock nut with two 12 mm open-end spanners. Then loosen the chain tensioner and lock nut with the same two spanners. Push the axle from the right to left and remove the caliper assembly from the swing arm and wheel. Place a cardboard sheet in between the brake pads. Remove the wheel axle from the swing arm and remove the chain from the rear sprocket. Gently remove the rear wheel. To reassemble the wheel, follow the reverse procedure. And that's it. You've just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield twin in good shape.